Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while installing any game you got an error Isdone.dll. It is not found any specified file for IsArcExtract. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Here I have my game folder, and suppose I would like to install this Elden Ring game. First of all, you need to copy the game and paste onto the desktop. After moving the files, right click on the folder and choose the option rename. And now rename the folder to a very simple English name. Suppose I'll give it a name only, Elden Ring. After renaming the folder, open the folder. Now under the setup, right click on it and make sure you select the option run as administrator. Now once the setup is started, click on the option install and then hit the proceed option. Now right over here, you will find the option of installation path. Now make sure the installation path should not be very long. For example, I'll go ahead and change the installation path and I'll select only the F drive and hit the option OK, so that the game is installed only in the F drive. After doing so, hit the next button and the issue will be completely fixed. If this failed to work out, and this method is specially for the FitGirl users, launch the setup. After launching the setup, right over here, you will find the option of limit installer to 2 GB of RAM. Make sure you must select this particular option and then click on the option next, and again make sure the installation directory should be small. After doing so, there should not be any processes running in the background and install the game, and the issue of Isdone.dll is not found will be completely fixed. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.